Morning, everybody. Jeff from Rose Bucket Valley Garage. We're doing a couple of small things on the truck this morning. One of them is we replaced this door handle. Okay, and you can see this is the old door handle, and right here there should be a gib with a screw in it, like that one right there, and it is broke off. That's the reason it was hanging out like that. Okay, this part is a Dorman part, and this one they did pretty good on. It looks like a quality part, and this one here works very nicely. Okay, and it's you know, the fit and finish is very nice. Okay, to go ahead and get this out, you need to take and remove the inner door panel, and it's not really a tricky thing to take and do that. There are two screws that are in under a plate that is in the armrest on some doors, and on this door right here, underneath the armrest there are two bolts. You just go ahead and take those out. There is one bolt right here behind the latch, and then you just take a flat tool. I have a plastic trim tool, and those are available at Harbor Freight, that you can take and go around the edge here, and you can take and pop this door panel loose, and then just lift it up from the top. Okay, to take and get the lock assembly out, you do have to take and remove this the window glass guide, and there's a screw here and there's a screw up here that you got to take out. When you get it back in, don't forget to take and clip the top in, because there is a clip that goes on the bottom of the channel here for continuity of the glass channel. Okay, since we had the door tore up anyway, we noticed that there was a dent about right here. If you watch another YouTuber, it's called Blue Collar Carl, and his favorite tools are this right here, hammer and a block of wood, and they are very, very useful. The dent is about right here. What you can do is you can take the wood and put it in there and tap it a couple of times with, it doesn't take a very big hammer, and that will just pop out. Okay, there's no grinding, there's no filling, there's no painting, which is really nice, you know. So anyway, that's a couple of tips for today, and as we take and move along further down the line, I'll bring you along. Hope you have a great day.